Grandma.
We're going to bed.
We're going to bed.
And we're getting ready to say our prayers.
And we're getting ready to say our prayers.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Give us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us. From thine is the kingdom, the power, the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
I love you, God.
I love you too.
I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
I love you, Dami.
I love you, Donnie.
And I love Jaja.
And I love Jaja.
Good night.
Good night.